This is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Accounts category, and in here simply remove any Google accounts you have, if you have any to begin with. Then get back to the main settings page, enter Google category, onwards tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now sign into your child's Google account or create one. If you haven't the Google account you can use. Or, if you doesn't have. Once the account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here and enter credentials to another Google account next, this time parental account. Next step is the About Supervision page, so scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button to your bottom right. Click at the Allow Supervision option that will pop up next and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then hit the Next option. Over here you can disable the apps that you do not want your child to have an access to. Or you will be also able to manage your child app exposure and app experience later on as well, so there is no need, in my opinion, to focus our attention on it currently, and I guess we would much rather finish this setup sooner. The same can be said about filters and settings. And once you've made it to the Manage Parental Controls page, you can either automatically install the required app, or actually I recommend that you just hit the skip option, finish the setup on the child's end, then take your parental device or whatever phone you wanted to use to supervise your child and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. Then launch it. Make sure to sign in to the Family Link with the parental Google account. And here is the full list of controls that are available to you. So wait a few seconds for the app to load. So here are the controls. Then you can monitor your child's location or see the child's device usage highlights. But as far as setting up parental controls on this device goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.